Hi boys and girls, Miss Rodriguez here. So today we're going to be reading a book about camping. It's called Llama Llama Goes Camping. I'm excited to go camping tomorrow, Llama Llama tells his friends. He has never camped overnight before. Neither has Nellie New, Luna Gilroy, or you, Sid. It will be super fun, Mama Llama says, and Grandma Llama and I will be with you the whole time. Camping is going to be very different from being at home, says Llama. Luna nods. We'll be out in the open, under the trees and sky, and we won't have any kitchen or house things like a refrigerator, an oven, or light, says Gilroy. Yusuf looks worried. After all, he loves gadgets. We can't use any machines while we camp? He asks. That's right, says Mama Llama. We are just going to bring the essentials. Essentials are the few things we really need. But don't worry, Yusuf. It's only for one day and night. The next day is warm and sunny as the campers arrive at the campground. Welcome to our overnight adventure in the woods, says Grandma Llama. Llama Llama and his friends cheer loudly. Everyone has one bag, except for Yusuf. He's carrying two. Don't worry, he explains. I only brought the essentials. That's a lot of essentials, Nellie says with a laugh. Okay, campers, says Mama Llama. Let's go for a hike while it's still light outside. Yusuf pulls a handheld gadget out of one of his bags. I can plug our route into my directional device, he says. Remember, Yusuf, Llama says kindly, no gadgets allowed. Yusuf sighs. Okay, he says, putting it away. Not using gadgets isn't going to be easy. Mama Llama leads the campers along a trail in the woods. Wow, says Llama, looking around. These trees are so tall. I wonder how tall they are, Yusuf says. Can I measure them with my digital tape measure? Luna shakes her head. No gadgets, she reminds him. Oh yeah, Yusuf says. When the group gets farther into the woods, Mama Llama asks the campers to stop for a moment. Let's listen to the sounds of nature, she says. What do you hear? Llama pauses. I hear a bird chirping, he says. I hear leaves rustling, says Luna. I hear a tree creaking, says Gilroy. Nellie points to a bee. I hear him buzzing, she says. I hear all that too, says Yusuf. And I hear water flowing in the distance. The campers close their eyes. They hear crickets chirping. They hear a bird calling. They hear the wind whooshing and an owl hooting. It sounds like they're all talking to each other, says Llama. The music of the forest is very peaceful. As they listen to the nighttime sounds, the campers slowly drift off to sleep. In the morning, sunlight streams into the tent. The campers wake up, feeling refreshed. Mama Llama and Gram are very proud of Llama and his friends for spending the entire night in the woods. But everyone is especially proud of Yusuf. Good job, cheers Llama Llama. You didn't use any gadgets on our camp out. Thank you, Yusuf says. It was a fun challenge. I like the woods. The other campers agree. Can we go on another hike before we leave, Nellie asks. We sure can, says Grandma Llama. But first, breakfast. We can use my electric waffle maker, says Yusuf. Oh, wait, he adds. That's kind of a gadget, isn't it? He made it this far without using machines. He isn't going to stop now. The end. Have a great day, boys and girls. Bye.